Hello, today I'm showing you how to reset your Galaxy Note 8. First, you have to locate power button, volume up, and the side button. Press all three at the same time. When it comes on, release the power button. Continue holding the two other buttons. When you see the screen, release all buttons. And this will take less than 2 minutes to complete. When you see the screen is okay, just give it another 15 seconds. It will automatically take you to the settings that we need to reset the phone. Now when you see the screen, scroll down using your volume down. Locate wipe data factory reset. To select, press the power button. To confirm, go down, press yes. Again, power button. And this is how you factory reset your Galaxy Note 8. Thank you very much for watching.